for follow-up.
Okay.
Got the catheter out.
Yay.
We met before, haven't we? No, I'm Chelsea.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Dr. Alam's PA.
Nice to meet you.
Now you look familiar. You look like a patient I saw the other day.
We all look like
I know,
patients
right?
with these on
I
now.
know. We all look the same. So you had this scrotal nodule that has been there, kind of slow growing.
Right.
You had ultrasound done last year, and you had the tumor markers, which were negative, not really problematic. We're just kind of ignoring that.
Right.
You went into retention. You also had an infection at the time, right? A urinary tract infection.
Now, I think. I don't know. Nobody really.
Are you off antibiotics at this point?
No, he gave me something. The flow something or others right
the
now.
Flomax, that's not an antibiotic. That's the tamsulosin to help with your prostate, help you pee so that you don't go into retention.
Okay, the stuff they gave me out of TRICARE might have been that.
Mm-hmm. I think you got an antibiotic initially.
Right.
When they put the Foley in.
Right, and I was able to pee.
Right.
And then they put the catheter in, and now he gave me this.
So, hopefully you'll be at UP. You're good. Going to stay on that Flomax, the tamsulosin, okay? Because that'll hopefully keep you peeing.
Okay.
But we got to get you in for a biopsy of that prostate, right?
Right.
Your PSA has gone up even further since last year. So have you ever had a biopsy in the past? You never did you?
No.
So PSA, was about 12 initially, and then it went up to 16. It's now at 27.
Okay.
So pretty high.
Okay.
So we need to get you in for that biopsy.
Okay.
Biopsies are done at Wellsville.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
That's where we have the machine for the biopsies.
Okay.
So we'll have. I'm gonna have Mackenzie schedule you today because I know he's booking out a ways in Wellsville. So hopefully we can get you in for that, find out what's going on, and then move forward accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. In the meantime, stay on your Flomax.
Got it.
Let me know if anything changes with how you're peeing or if there's issues.
Well, you ain't lying.
No. If there's issues there, but hopefully you'll keep peeing fine, and but.
So we are thinking it was a.
I think that give you that.
Thank you.
PSA is
Yep, I got it. Thank you.
So we are thinking it was an enlarged prostate that was blocking.
Yeah, and your PSA might be related to an enlarged prostate too.
Okay.
Did Dr. Lund examine you last time? Did he do a rectal exam on you when he saw you?
Oh yeah, he just stuck his finger on my butt.
Okay.
He said he felt it was kind of hard.
He thought it was kind of hard.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's get the biopsy and move forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow is just an ultrasound tomorrow night?
You're getting an ultrasound of your kidneys and stuff. Yeah, just to kind of make sure everything there looks okay. Nothing jumping out at us in regards to, other issues.
Okay, gotcha.
But yeah, get that done. We'll call if there's any issues. And then we're going to get you scheduled for that biopsy.
Okay.
Okay. So you're going to get an abdominal ultrasound, renal ultrasound done tomorrow. Is that correct?
I believe so.
Okay.
It was weird because the paperwork I got says it was ultrasound assisted biopsy, but I don't know what happened there.
Good. Give me a minute while I get Mackenzie.
Okay.
Okay. And did he give you the paperwork on the biopsy, what you needed to do?
Something an hour before.
The enema and stuff. Yep,
okay.
he gave you that paperwork. Okay.
Okay, so all I care about right now is making sure I can urinate. Okay, so I have to have a COVID screening before, which is what? Just blood?
No, it's just a nasal swab.
Just a swab?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not that bad. It can get done here in Dansville. I will.
But it's a week before?
No, you can actually do it next Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I drop in here Tuesday.
I'll get that scheduled for you. I'll do the
Okay.
COVID swab right now for you.
And then do covert, and then drop out to Wellsville on Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course tomorrow night I got They're gonna come in for
Imaging, which I will write that
imaging.
down for
imaging.
Dana, do you have family history of prostate cancer?
Nope,
No, no one has any history.
nope, I'll be the first.
Alright. Well, fingers crossed, but
Maybe it's just,
maybe it's just a big prostate.
oh, okay,
Possible.
okay.
It's possible. It's, obviously, there's a lot of concern that there is cancer, but
Right. But it's where, it's gone from,
as that PSA continues to
it
climb,
keeps climbing.
which is the concern.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But
It just getting older?
possibly,
Yeah.
but you're not that old either, though.
No, thanks.
I actually lied
Thank
to
you.
her because I didn't know my mother's brother actually had prostate
All
cancer.
I'm on is what they just prescribed for me, that Flomax.
Okay. What should this okay?
Right.
Let me know everything for you. So nothing aspirin, no aspirin, no ibuprofen,
I shouldn't need any.
no pain medication. About a week before. And then you know to get the enema, you take that about an hour before.
Okay, yep, I'll run by Quinlan's, I guess, and get that.
Yep.
All right, well, the catheter is out. I just got to monitor how much I drink and how much comes out. And I'm scheduled for another appointment tomorrow, which is not that related. And then next on the 11th, I got to go to another hospital to have a biopsy done on my prostate, because I've gone from like a 12 and now I'm like 26. So hopefully it's just because I'm getting old, but there's a possibility it could be cancerous. So we'll find out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs on the human drama. Man, it's great to get that thing out of me. Woo! All right, 3 hours after going to see the urologist, I was able to urinate with no issue. So hopefully it stays that way. I just got to keep the fluids in me. Keep taking that flow. What's it called? Flow something or other that they gave me 90 days of. And then go through whatever they want to check my prostate. Because I've gone from whatever they say from a 12 up to a 27. And they're saying that, well, it just might be your age. It just might be an age thing. So, or you just may have an enlarged prostate. But I guess in the end it was an enlarged prostate. It wasn't, a bladder infection, which is kind of hard to believe that I'd have a bladder infection. But then again, when I was talking to them there, they says it's common in men now. So I don't know. But anyway, we're going to continue on this, and we'll see what human drama turns out.